Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. It's time!
You know you're Samoan when you're thinking about food all the time. You know you're Samoan when you're thinking about corned beef and sapasui all the time.
You know you're Aboriginal when you're loud.
You know you're Māori when the only thing you pack to travel is some jandals.
You know you're Samoan when you steal everyone's clothes. You know you're Aboriginal when you steal everyone's clothes as well.
You know you're Māori when you and all your cousins have to chuck in money just so you can go get feed.
Well, it's good. All the Polynesians are getting out there doing their thing, showing much respect to all the Pacific Islands around the world.
It means a platform, man, you know, platform to show, what ANZACs are truly about. Aussie and New Zealand together, best platform the guys can get there and show our true talents.
Tai Bambam Tuivasa!
Funny that I was looking at a photo when Tai came training together with me, helping me sparring when he was 19, so I didn't realise he was that young, but Tai's headlining the card, Tyson's doing also well. Kai's first fight in the UFC, he's with a good camp, CKB, with Eugene and that, they're doing really well. There's a lot of guys coming through from this side of the world, which is great.
Living my best life, I'm living my best life.
So Bam Bam come from just after the Flintstones, the little kid, and he was so strong and stuff, so I thought it was a pretty cool name and I just run with it. And Fob Original, my mum's called me a little Fob Original since I was born, so it just makes sense, half Aboriginal, half Samoan, so. Well, West Sydney, it's my makeup. It's what's made me who I've become. I think we have a high number of Samoans, and I think we have the highest number of Aboriginals in one area, so it's genetically my makeup and it's where I'm from, and it teaches us who we are. And I stay the same, I'm still from the area, and I just want to represent it and make kids be proud of where we're from and not shy away from it, it's just about recognition. I want people to realise that Australia has a history, we are the First Nations people. I carry my flag proudly and I carry my Samoan flag on my skin, so I represent both to the fullest.
Hot, right about it, Kevin. If the last be first, the first gonna be second. And
When I was young, I used to get bullied a lot because I was so small. I was the smallest in my class. So my parents, they wanted to get more confidence instilled into me. So they took me down to the local jiu-jitsu gym. So I went down when I was about 11 years old. Taught me a lot of things that I still use today, discipline, respect, honor, being accountable, all these things that as a young man you need to learn. And that's what martial arts has taught me.
Hold on, but that's why I talk to God, hoping that He set us all free. I'ma start back.
The name Don't Blink got given to me. So after high school, I went to Thailand. I ended up getting a full-year scholarship over there. I lived out there for 4 years, just fighting in the Asia circuit. I started to rack up wins, and I was getting quick finishes in the first round. One fight was 9 seconds, one fight was 12 seconds, another fight 30 seconds. So if you blinked, you'd miss that fight. So I kind of just ran with that name.
It was just a matter of time, the progression of martial arts, But it's good to see the evolution of mixed martial arts and from our side of the world doing really well, which is good. So, it's good timing for my country, this last coming fight right here. So, people are blessed to be doing this life. And, some people don't make it. I think, say, 95% don't make it.
What's up, Kai? Dana White here. Congratulations. You are in the UFC, brother.
Result, I was kind of speechless. I couldn't even talk when he was fighting. I was just so nervous. And the family's proud, man. He's been working hard since we started the sport when we were 10. But he's, professional. We turned professional at 18. Just been grinding away. Sometimes he didn't even have money to put gas in his car, but got to training and just grinded it out. So
tips for the youth: don't get cut down. You know, don't give up after one time. You got to keep going.
If you do chase this sort of life, you know, make sure you have good people around you to help you, and you know, don't take any shortcuts, and you know, always listen to yourself. Be honest with yourself. You know, a triangle can't fit into a square or a circle. Be honest with yourself. It's amazing.
And don't ever be scared. Don't ever be scared. My dad always used to say, never be scared of anything.